Hey everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to your Polymarket account. First, log in to your Polymarket account and go to the deposit page. Choose the option called Transfer Crypto. Select the token you want to send, such as ETH, and then select the correct network where your funds are stored. This step is very important. The token and network must match exactly. After making your selection, Polymarket will show a deposit address. Copy this address. Next, open your external wallet or exchange, like Coinbase or Kraken. Start a withdrawal. Paste the Polymarket deposit address as the recipient, and enter the amount you want to send. Double-check the address, token, and network before confirming the transaction. Once you confirm, wait for the blockchain to process the transfer. This may take a few minutes. When it is complete, the funds will appear in your Polymarket account. You can also add funds using a debit or credit card. On the deposit page, choose the option to buy USDC with a card. Polymarket uses a service like MoonPay. Follow the on-screen steps, enter your payment details, and complete the purchase. The USDC will be added to your Polymarket balance automatically. That is how you transfer money to Polymarket. Thanks for watching.